How old are you? Take that age and minus 7. In Ethiopia, that's your real age. Ethiopia, compared to the rest of the world, lives in the past. And I mean this literally. If you take the calendar the world is using now and compare it to the Ethiopian calendar, Ethiopia is behind by 7 years. This difference of 7 years comes from the point of Jesus' birth. The Gregorian calendar, which most of the world uses, starts from 1 AD, which is the date that Jesus was born on the Gregorian calendar. But in the Ethiopian calendar, also known as the Gwizi calendar, Jesus is believed to be born in 7 BC, 7 years before 1 AD. So technically, the Ethiopian calendar is behind by 7 years. This is why if you are in Ethiopia, you will always be 7 years younger than the rest of the world. Although the Gregorian calendar was made by Pope Gregory in 1582 AD, it quickly spread to most parts of the world and every country in Africa except for one, Ethiopia. Ethiopia has kept its calendar, which was made around 42 AD. The Ethiopian calendar has its roots in some of the Egyptian calendars and evolved over time to gain accuracy and fit the culture of that time. Both the Ethiopian calendar and the Gregorian calendar uses the same calculation based on the Earth's orbit around the Sun, but there are a lot of differences between the two. The Ethiopian calendar is the only calendar in the world with 13 months. The first 12 months have 30 days each, and a 13th month with 5 or 6 days depending on the leap year. If you calculate, the Gregorian calendar still has the same amount of days as the Ethiopian calendar, 365 days in a year, but Ethiopia has an extra month. This means Ethiopia celebrates the New Year earlier than the rest of the world. Ethiopian New Year starts on September 11th. In short, the Ethiopian calendar does not only represent the long independence historical record of Ethiopia, but also shows why Ethiopia is one of the most significant and unique countries still in existence. So, who else is going to start counting the age based on the Ethiopian calendar? Comment below if you're feeling younger.